I do not own any of this animation. Please support the official release of Dub Bandit. This is made purely for the funsies.
Jason.
Huh?
I'm getting kinda tired over here, dude. I don't know if I can stay up any longer.
Well then, get some rest.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go.
Alright. Hey, thank you, man. Good night.
Night. Hey, you alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Sounds to me like you're lying. It's just really scary. I've never seen anything like this before. Yeah? You and I both. I've never seen a body so... I really don't want to die here. Hey, nobody else is gonna die here. No matter what happens, we've got each other's backs. We're gonna make it through this alive, you hear? We'll keep you safe, alright? You're not gonna die. Are you really certain about that? Of course I am. I ain't gonna let anything happen to you. Oh God! Tyson. Tyson, please! We can't do this right now! Whoa. Get the fuck back! Jesus, man, what are you doing? Put the gun down. Get away from me! None of you are real! None of you are my friends! Tyson! Tyson! Get back! Hey, you can't be out here like this. Come back. I'm not fucking around! Buddy, come on. Look, man, we're all your friends. I don't have any idea what the fuck's going on, but we can't do this shit right now. Just put the gun down, alright? We'll go back inside. We'll figure out how to put an end to this. Tyson, just give me the gun. Please. Forgive me. Of course, man. You haven't done anything wrong. We forgive you. It's okay, man. You're all good.